Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we're going to review the 100 years of Matchbox vehicles. There's 5 cars in a set and we got a bunch of basic line just Hot Wheels to take a look at, so we'll jump right into it. All right, up first for the Chevrolet Trucks 100 years is going to be the 47 Chevy 80 3100. So these feature awesome artwork on the cards and very cool vehicles. So great attention to detail. You can see that they got the MatchBox auto repair. We only use Chevrolet parts. Very nicely detailed. Good attention to detail for a basic line release truck. You got the Chevrolet 100 years there in the pinstripe. No rear lights, but these here are going to be a metal and plastic casting. So just like a basic line. Nicely done interiors as well. And period correct rims and tires. So metal body, typically plastic base. And then you're going to be plastic tires. Pretty nice little casting though if you're looking for these. I haven't been able to find these, so there's 5 cars here. So the only one I'm missing is the 14 Chevy Silverado, but we have the rest of them. I previewed the Avalanche already, and I have the rest of them here. 2017 release. Picked up a couple extras, but very nice vehicles if you're out hunting, if you like the Matchbox, and of course the Chevrolet 100 years. You can't go wrong with having a few extras in the collection. All right, next vehicle up is going to be the 70 Chevy El Camino. Again, great artwork on the cards. Very cool little casting. Done in like a lime green type, probably period correct though. For this era of vehicle, they probably used a very similar color, I would assume. 100 years of trucks. Again, just a real good attention to detail. Tampa work, you got the pinstripe. Again, metal and plastic tires. But the box is done nicely. Black interior, black stripe on the hood. Very nice little casting. Picked up 2 of those as well. If you're a fan of the El Camino, not my most favorite vehicle, but it is part of the collection. I guess it is a truck. All right, up next we got the Chevy K1500. Very cool, big jacked up truck here. Off-road Z71. This one was pretty popular. I was actually surprised it was there. There was only one of them, of course. But this one has really good attention to detail. You got the BF Goodrich, 100 years of trucks on there. Some sort of lift company there. Off-road Matchbox 4x4. Got a gray interior. Big light bar on the back there. Big tires. And of course it's nicely jacked up there. But metal body, plastic base and tires. But pretty nice. A lot of people like the big jacked up trucks. Personally, I like this truck slammed to the ground myself, but again, it's part of the set, and gotta have it. But pretty nice looking truck there. All right, the last 2 that I have for them, this set is going to be the 75 Chevy Stepside. Again, artwork is pretty slick, and then the vehicle is very period correct with the paint. 100 years there on the side. They tried to put the 100 years there on all of them, just in a particular place, but this one doesn't have. It's all detailed into the actual floor and whatnot, but the base is actually separate from the interior, because you can see the interior is like a yellow tan color, but the base here is gray. So they did change that, which is pretty nice in a baseline vehicle. But nicely detailed. It's got a sunroof. Pretty cool. nice vehicle. It's got the Chevrolet along the back. Again, metal, plastic base, and tires, but pretty cool. I was never really a fan of the step side. I prefer the cleaner look of the truck, but pretty cool. I'm sure it was popular for a lot of people. That's probably why it's in the set, but very nice truck. All right, we're going to run down some basic line Matchbox. This is their new release stuff, but I've covered a lot of these vehicles already. Most of these are just some extras, but these are dollar cars, so fairly inexpensive and some cool castings. So we got the Matchbox Service. This is the International Star 09. I just got this because it has the pretty cool temp work with the Matchbox on the side. Other than that, I don't really care for the truck. It's not my style, but I got these for the strictly for the logos. It's kind of the old school logo. Does have an opening feature in the back. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on these because I already previewed them, but just thought I'd show these. This is part of the haul. So very nice trucks here if you're looking for those. All right, these two are part of the Matchbox Service as well. This is the International Armed Car. So International Armed Services. Kind of a cool looking truck. You always see these driving around, so it's kind of cool when you can, you know, see them and be able to collect them in a size that you can afford. So that's pretty cool. Again, metal and plastic. This looks good. It's a metal base and a plastic body, but they've really stepped up their game with the artwork on the card. I picked up two of those. We're going to go ahead and we are going to do a video. We're going to open up basically all of the doubles that you see here. I got lots of room for Matchbox, so we'll open them up. Hot Wheels display wall is getting pretty full. All right, these ones are the Matchbox Off-Road. Again, artwork is pretty cool, and it features the Golf gas station, which is pretty awesome. It's done in the Golf colors, blue and orange, so pretty cool. Ford F-150 SVT Raptor. Again, a couple of these, we're gonna definitely crack them open and get closer looks at all of these vehicles. All right, we got a Honda Ridgeline. Interesting little truck. These are quite popular on the road, but it's got some gear in the back there. Pretty cool temp work. Again, metal, plastic, pretty cool little casting. And we'll be cracking one of those as well. All right, these are two older ones. We got the, you can see the artwork obviously how it's changed, but Ford Bronco 4x4. Featured these already. Can't have too many Broncos. Awesome casting. World Travels. Big jacked up gold rims. White interior. Done in a pretty slick green. And then we got the ever popular 64 Austin Mini Cooper. So anyone knows the Mr. Bean? Pretty cool. This was his vehicle in this exact color. Absolutely awesome. Got a few of those, so we'll probably crack that open if I don't already have them out. I think I got both of those out, but if not, we'll definitely do an opening video of a ton of cars. All right, up next we got the Matchbox Rescue. It's going to be the BMW M5 fire vehicle. Pretty cool graphic work. I know there's lots of people out there that collect fire vehicles and police vehicles, but pretty nice detailing here. I mean, I'm not too sure the point of it. I'm guessing it's like the fire chief's vehicle or something. Wouldn't really be too much of a help in a fire. Besides, I guess it could get you there fairly quick. But neat vehicle. Import. Lots of people like those. I'm sure they're fairly popular. All right, up next we got 94 Audi Event RS2. Don't ask me why I got so many of these. I didn't realize I already had them. But it's kind of a cool little casting here. It's apparently, I've been told, a fairly rare car, I guess, like in a 1:1 scale. But kind of neat, done in like a pearl white, black interior. And we'll go ahead and crack one of these open as well. So we'll see, take a closer look. But that is available. Got a few of them there, as you can see. But if you like the import stuff, they've been stepping up a lot and getting a lot more into those as well. All right, this is the Matchbox Road Trip Porsche. Pretty awesome. Only thing I don't really care for with Porsche, it's a cool design, but the four-door. I guess it's a family sports car. You know, I don't know. I guess it's so that you can have a family and have a sports car, I guess, but four-door in a sports car, that's interesting. It's cool blue, sunroof, tan interior. It's got front lights, rear lights, Porsche. That's any of the big licensings, they typically put headlights and taillights on them for the most part, but pretty nice little casting. Again, we'll be cracking one of those open as well. All right, we got some trucks here. This is the Matchbox Off-Road again. This is the 60 Jeep. I think it's supposed to be an 09. Jeep 4x4. Big jacked up. Pretty cool vehicle. If you like these. I like the Broncos myself. They're the best one. The Jeeps are they're alright, but not sure on that. But metal body, plastic base, plastic tires, but nice detail. And we'll go ahead and get that one open as well. We don't have any duplicates, but might as well see it out of the package. Got the Matchbox Service Flatbed King. Pretty cool again. Nicely detailed. I don't know if this bed moves out. Probably. We're going to find out though. Doesn't say anything on the back, but these are all new release stuff. Pretty cool though, the artwork on the card. They really did a good job on that. 2000 Nissan Xterra. Interesting. Again, not really my type of casting. It is a truck though, so we'll add it to the collection. We'll probably open that one as well. Some of these I only find one of. Got a couple of these now, but they're pretty cool. The GMC school bus. See a Celebrity Hollywood Tours. Pretty cool casting, basically just because it has the that tempo work on it. Really got a few of those. All right, we have Matchbox Road Trip again, but this one features the Willys Jeep pickup 4x4. Now this is cool. Very nice casting here. Got headlights, no rear lights, but it's done the kind of a brown interior there, you can see, but very cool. These are pretty popular. You don't really see these anymore, but they are pretty cool vehicles. Definitely like that casting. All right, and we got another road trip one. This one here is the 59 Chevy Wagon. So this is a recolor. They had this one out in red. So this one's done in blue. Very nice. No interior on this one. Got the big boat on the top there, kayak thing, or canoe, sorry. But metal body, plastic base, plastic tires. Nice artwork on the card. And then this one here is pretty cool. 51 Hudson Hornet. Again, done in a different color. This one has been featured before, but done in a fire chief vehicle. Pretty cool. Can't go wrong with the old school cars done in police vehicles and cop cars. Pretty cool to see. But nicely done. I mean, you got to remember, these cars are your less than $1. So, I mean, for the amount of detailing you're getting in this price range, they really stepped up their game with these last release of the Matchbox. They're quite impressive for the price point for sure. All right, well, that's going to wrap it up for the Matchbox. Stay tuned for the other videos. We got basically Hot Wheels from here on out. 50th anniversary stuff. We have the full set now with the Little Red Express. So we did pretty good. And we got some Red Lion Club stuff coming, so that should be in hopefully soon, and we'll review some of those vehicles, some pretty nice ones that they came out with. So, and a couple convention cars, which is pretty sweet. So stay tuned. Again, like the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.